Hi, Mom.
Hi.
We're going to the park.
Yes, we are. Buster and Madera want to go to the park?
Oh, Ned, you have your helmet on.
Way back.
We're just so excited to go to the dog park. Look at this.
What bat's Ned going to use?
Madera, are you excited? Madera, are you excited?
We'll go to the park.
Madera.
I couldn't find the receipt, so I guess we're keeping the gloves.
Buster, how about you? Are you excited?
We could turn them into store credit, so we
Dude.
can do that. Deal without you. Over again. I'll put the helmet on her head, and she was like, ah!
This car's epic. Chillin'.
Every single picture that Mom sent me was
Here's
exactly
chillin'.
the same picture of exactly the
Hey,
same
Bus.
weddings, different people.
Buster,
Every one.
Buster, you want to go to the
White
park?
dress, you know, fancy tuxedo, you know, the whole, everything was all exactly the same.
Good dad was
Madera.
you know, our tuxes, military uniform. Our tuxes were so
Madera.
cool, they still look good today.
Buster's like staring at the people
with
behind
the
us.
ass
Say
tats
hello.
and everything else, they still look classy even today.
Say hello, Bus.
It's because you're a badass.
Buster, want a cookie? No, he's not paying attention. Hi, Mom.
This is so going on YouTube.
I know, right? Look at Ned's glasses.
I mean, they have pretty bridesmaids, they have to be even uglier. She has drooling. She's got a little drip of spit right in front of her lip.
Yum.
Madurpa. She doesn't have any shoelaces though.
Madurpa. Erie. What?
Hello,
baby.
Is Buster laying down?
No.
No.
He just...
He is intently staring at the pickup truck behind us.
Is he getting stared at back?
Probably.
I don't think they can see it. I can't see him.
Say
Well, I'm
hi.
sure they can see in there. Our windows aren't that dark yet.
Say hi.
Uh-oh.
What is
Now
he?
he's staring at the motorcycle.
He's like, motorcycle.
Staring at the Harley. He's got good taste. Oh, this is hilarious. I don't even want to go to the batting cage now. I just want to watch what the dogs do while we're driving.
It's like, whoa, people. He's still staring at them. He's like, dude, what?
Get away
What
from my
is
already
it?
on the
Oh my, traffic is horrid today.
getting the right
Put your
lane.
helmet on, so you're not licking the windows. Rock and roll.
Woke up the other morning.
What's that face?
Oh yeah, when I was for sure.
Like now. Hey baby,
Where are we? You're off leash, girl. First time ever. First time ever she's off leash. Oh, hi. Hi.
hey bud. Oh my goodness, you're so friendly.
That's what. Oh, whoa. Good boy, Bus. Good boy.
He's like, whoa.
Good boy. She's like, whoa. She's skittish around most men, so. But once she gets used to you, she'll be giving you her belly.
Well, hello.
This dog will never stop chewing through. She draws those lips back, and then as soon as somebody snaps at her, she runs away. She's like,
Up, Mom.
Oh.
Got a mess
All right.
over here.
You're going to get grass stains on your feet.
I don't think she cares.
No, she doesn't. Thank you, Madera. That's such a nice gift. I appreciate that. Thank you, dear. Yeah. She loves Mommy.
Come on, go.
Be nice.
What? What? Yeah, Buster's gonna mark every tree.
That's his job.
We should come here like every week.
We should.
She's like, what?
Why am I not?
Being followed.
There you go, girl. Now she's starting to like, okay.
What?
Cool. Oh, good, they have water fountains.
Yeah.
This place is amazing.
That's what I'm doing. Alright, how do you work this? Push the button! Mom. What? Alright. Bus. Like go by himself. Oh, we've got some mud here. Buster, look! Yeah, he doesn't like mud. Oh, but you like mud. You're my new favorite dog.
In the pool. They both walk in the pool, though.
So lazy. This is the most exercise she's gotten like all week. Buster, come! Buster, come on! Don't make me come get you. Come on! They don't know what to do with themselves. They're like, it's too much
wide
space.
open space.
I don't know you.
Around. All I gotta do is say squirrel and he comes running to me. Squirrel!
Pool. I'm going in the pool. Oh. Oh, that feels so nice. Oh, so nice.
Not enough dogs to make it interesting.
Buster,
Come here, Bus. Come here. Bus, come.
tell him to get in.
Come on, Bus. Come on. Come on. Good boy. He's like, ah, nice and cool. Delicious. Come on.
Come on, Chum.
Hey, Tongue. Come on, Tongue.
I don't know what's her
Hey, Tubby.
This is what
Come on.
Come here, puppy.
Come in the water with me.
that does not make her want to get in there with you.
She's like,
If the water's moving, she likes to interest her.
I don't know how she's not passed out yet.
They were really well behaved.
water. Give me some.
I was watching over there. I was like, wow.
Here, videotape.
She looked like she was trotting around with one of those other dogs.
Yeah. There's a little puppy that we're getting here. There's a, like, just
There's Madera. There's Bus. Her fur is hot. I just went to scratch her back and she like burned my knee.
Running! Water.
Is that actually cold?
No, it's warm. Ugh. I can't tell if it's cold. I'm using both hands.
It's cool, not cold.
Warm. I like cold water.
one, too. Buster's an old grouch.
Buster?
She's like, I have to intervene.
I think maybe he thinks because he's kind of striped, he thinks he has to be the referee.
Buster, hush.
Oh,
Buster?
Buster, shut up.
He's just playing.
So pretty.
Shut up, Grumpy.
Right here.
Let her play.
That's enough.
You don't play with her enough like that. That's why she's fat.
Well, see, she's usually tied up and he's free, so he can get away from her and she can't get to him. Now she's going to play.
Oh, yeah. Behave, Buster.
He's got a referee.
Well, that doesn't help, you know.
He's going, Bus. You're such an old grumpy guy. Come on, Madera, come play, you fat
Stop
old thing.
whining.
Like, but Dad.
Play nice. Whoa.
Go ahead, girl, get a drink. Come on, dearie. Come on.
She's like, no.
Play nice.
Oh, he wants to play with Buster so bad, but Buster's like, no.
This is a big doofus.
Oh, yeah. They're young, they're a handful.
Oh,
These are not.
Look at her, she's happy now. You want a drink, girl?
Oh, he's peeing in the pool. Ah, she's drinking it. Jeez, he's just going to town on your butt. Here goes another friend.
Behave yourself, Buster. Be nice.
Oh. Chubby old lad.
Hey, baby. Buster, you behave.
Oh, somebody run with.
Now they're gonna get.
This is not football. You're not allowed to tackle people.
Buster, back off. Hey,
Let's go see that Boston Terrier so
you
bad.
may go look and sniff, but you behave. No, he was doing that, you know,
Oh, the
like he was gonna
stalking?
charge.
It's like, okay, I'll just lay down next to you, Mom.
Sure where you can hose the dogs down as you take them out.
Then you have to put them in your car wet. I did bring 2 towels.
As soon as she lays down, she goes over to check on him.
Or somewhere in Mansfield.
5 or 6 Sonics in Slidell.
There's Sonic and Slidell too. That's
It's
where
like
it came from.
5 or 6 of them.
Okay.
Sonic headquarters, Slidell.
Sonic Central.
Look at Madera.
It's like, oh, hello. I don't know you, but I'll let you pet me anyway.
This is so cool for her. She's just like walking up to people. She doesn't normally do that.
There she is.
Don't get in the mud.
If she lays in that mud, Bill, you are so in trouble.
Hey, that's why we have the sheet in the back of the truck.
She's gonna dig.
Dig in the mud. Dig in the mud. Let her play.
Come on, that's a George. Being a dog.
She's like, I want you to pet me, but I don't want you to close.
Do they have like water for the night?
He was gonna body slam her just like Pippin.
What, you pop him in the head?
No,
Yeah.
but he kind of, when he was running up,
My hands
he
are so
kinda
shaky.
turned sideways like he was
Shoulder
gonna
a little
body slam her just like Pip. Remember how he used to do that?
Really?
Big time.
Oh my goodness, he's so pretty. Okay.
Oh, no, Bill, no.
It's like, what do you want? What's up?
This is good, the way that they're
Oh, yeah,
like
this is good.
running
And he's
each
being
other
good.
in front of time. Good girl, Madera.
This is good. This attack thing.
Good girl,
Listen.
Madera.
He said he was acting real silly with a whole bunch of dogs in here another time, and he said the whole pack kind of just gathered around him and put him in his place.
Yeah.
He is cool.
Slapping her in the
Look how
face
deep
with
his
his tail.
chest is.
It's like, whoops, sorry.
Buster being quiet.
Buster's gonna tell him what's what.
He'll break it up. The referee at it again.
Give me a ref. Hey, girl.
Well, he's got to be amazingly fast. Look at that deep chest.
Yeah, he's a mess.
He's beautiful.
Thank you.
What's he mixed with?
He's golden retriever and Rhodesian ridgeback.
I said it looked like he had some ridgeback in him.
He's a good boy. Here he goes, babe.
All you.
Hi.
Long legs. Go run.
They all want to stay under the trees in the shade.
He likes to run.
Oh, sorry. I think they.
What time is it, Bill?
On that thing, like 600. I'm gonna guess like.
2:16.
Oh, I was about to say 2.
Watch out, Dad. They might fight. Dad, watch out. They might fight.
Hey. Cut that out. Cut that out. No.
Be good, bud.
Oh, he wants to lick Buster's face, and Buster's like, no.
I'm not that kind of dog. I don't play for that team.
Buster.
Dad.
Buster.
What?
You like it here, huh? You having fun? Hey, girl.
Yeah, don't get in a fight.
He's just laying there.
I'm going to get a number 1.
Ned's gonna get number 2.
Nigga, please.
He's gonna get number 5.
I'm number 1.
That was my number 2.
I'm all dirty.
I don't care where we go for food. I just want chicken nuggets. Where are you going?
Nowhere. I'm just turning.
Oh, I was like, I thought you guys were gonna do like a Chinese fire drill or something. Change seats. I was like, cause you both reached through here. I was like, what are you doing?
They only have
They see me eating my chicken.
order when you're ready.
Can I get a number